Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to download and install CapCut video editor on Mac for free. So let's get started. Okay, so CapCut is a primarily designed for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets, but we have the MacBook version of CapCut in App Store. So now all you have to do is simply open your MacBook and go to the Launchpad and look for the App Store option available there and tap on it. Now inside the App Store, tap on the search address bar available in the top left corner and search for the CapCut app and tap on it. Now you can see there is the CapCut option available there. Now if you have not downloaded it yet, then you will get to see the get or download icon available there, and all you have to do is simply tap on it and download the CapCut and wait for the download till it install on your MacBook. Once installed, you can launch CapCut and use it on your Mac. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.